Are you struggling to get that engagement right from your Facebook profile? Are you struggling on getting leads and sales on a daily or weekly basis and you just don't know where to start? Well, if you're watching this video, you're in the right place at the right time because I created a course, a step-by-step course with attraction marketing, and I use Facebook to attract the ideal customer, and this will go ahead and help you today. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to the video today. And in this video, we're gonna talk about attracting the ideal customer, getting that increased engagement, getting more engagement to your Facebook profile or your business page of Facebook. And you can do that as simple as easy when you go in here and take advantage of this course. I have this course information right below this video. Is labeled Attraction Marketing Course with Facebook. My name is Adam Shelton, and let's go ahead and dive into the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and to the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my screen exactly what this course is all about. As you see here, it says Attraction Marketing Accelerated Course with Facebook. And this course is step-by-step, easy to follow, where you go ahead and build an audience and engagement right from your Facebook profile. Now, when you go ahead and take advantage of this, and of course, I have it right below the video, I have a link where you go ahead and sign up today, and you're gonna get all this information as you see here right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down step by step, exactly what you're gonna get. And let me go ahead and see, let me show you exactly what you're gonna get here. You're going to get, voila. So you're gonna get 5-session course included. You're gonna get the profile check and basic profile setup. This is gonna show you how to go ahead and set up your profile step by step. All your settings are gonna be correctly, and you're gonna be ready to go ahead and attract the ideal customer because you have all your settings set up correctly. The next thing is going to be the tips for branding your profile. The branding tips is so key because this is ideal information of how you can attract more people to you. And let me go ahead and go back to it real quick. Back to you can tips and branding and attract more people to you, and you can stand out right in front of the crowd based on basic fundamentals that you're going to learn in this course. The next one is going to be the Facebook communication method. I teach you how to communicate on Facebook correctly, even that's through Messenger or right from your Facebook profile or your business page. This is really easy to understand because I talk about the importance of communication and the delivery of when you're talking to people and when and why should you talk to that particular customer. The next one is going to be attraction marketing strategies. The attraction marketing strategies are important because I talk about that as well. I talk about the attraction marketing strategies because these are key strategies you need to know when you're going ahead and talking to people. And when people are attracted to you, you're going to have the right type of information. Your message is going to be so clear and precise that people's going to want to go ahead and sign up under you, buy your product, and go ahead and understand exactly what you're all about. Attraction marketing strategies is so key because that's how people are attracted. You know, we're attracted to so many different things, and there's a reason why we are attracted to so many different things, because that person or that business or that company put a message across, or they maybe have the ideal, perspective of why they are attracting people to you. So this is what I'm going to talk about, the attraction marketing strategies. And then number 5, keeping a highly targeted profile. It's so important to have that profile targeted on the ideal prospect and customer because you want people automatically coming to your profile 24/7, Facebook profile or your business page or even your Facebook groups. So you want to be able to stand out. No offense, definitely want to stand out, but you want to have information that's just so attracting and is very targeted to the ideal person. So I do talk about that as well. Let me go ahead and go down here. And then of course the bonus, I have a bonus section here, 25 content ideas in 25 days. I really talk about this in depth because you need content to go ahead and build your brand as well. Quality content is king and queen because you want to go ahead and produce quality content where people can follow, they can understand, and they can take action on the content you're going to go ahead and show them. So let me do a recap. So step by step, Facebook profile check and basic profile setup. You're gonna get that. That's 29 minutes long. I'll talk about all the importance of setting up your profile settings correctly. The second thing we talked about is the tips for branding your Facebook profile, and that's 30 minutes long, 31 minutes long. These are really good tips, can really help you grow your profile, your audience, and your branding right from your Facebook. The third thing is the Facebook communication methods. I talk about the importance of communicating with your audience and also, communicating with your prospects, especially when they have questions, and about when to ask the right question. Why should you ask a certain question or get the certain information from that prospect and customer? So that's a 30-minute long video that I talk about, and I show you information as well. The attraction marketing strategies, these strategies are very, very key because I really go more in depth of the marketing strategies and the attraction part. I love attraction marketing because it's all about being yourself and attracting the ideal person to your profile 24/7. Absolutely. And that's 27 minutes long. 27 minutes long of content. I'm telling you guys are getting a steal of all this information in one place at a very, very good opportunity. This is crazy that I'm doing this, but I wanted to go ahead and do this because I want you to attract the ideal prospect and customer and build your business and build your brand. The next one is keeping a highly targeted profile. This is important too because I talk about the importance of keeping your highly targeted profile. I'm just showing you a little bit of the course. Is because you want to be able to target a profile and you want to be able to continue adding in friends, deleting friends off your profile because it can stay targeted. People want to come to your profile and feel like it's at home. They want to feel like it's fresh and an idea and it's energy and it's excitement. That's exactly what they want to feel when they go to your profile every single time. And of course, I talked about this earlier, the bonus content ideas. We talked about this. I wanted to do something really special in terms of the content ideas, and I talk about this more in depth in terms of quality content is king and queen when it comes to producing and sending in content out there every single time. So I have that as a bonus. This is something I just threw out there, 25 content ideas in 25 days. You can use this in 25 days. You can stretch this out through a few months. You can keep repeating some of the same content on a monthly basis, and it does work. These are content ideas I've used, and I went ahead and had some really good success with some of this quality content that I'm sharing to you as a bonus. So there you go. That is the course in a nutshell, the Attraction Marketing Accelerator course with Facebook. You can grow your business right from your profile, business page, your Facebook groups with this course. And right below the video, I have the information right in front of you. It'll say in the description box, Attraction Marketing Accelerator with Facebook course. Click on there and go ahead and get started today, not tomorrow, today, because it's time for you to go ahead and attract the ideal customer to your business and to your brand. And I'm so excited for you. I did this course because I wanted to help people. And I know that people have been struggling with getting more engagement or getting more leads or just building a profile, Facebook profile where people can just come there and be attractive. So my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And of course, if you want to go ahead and sign up for the click on the link below this video in the description box. You can go ahead and find it there. And as well, I have more information of growing your influence and getting more subscribers on YouTube as well. So go ahead and check all that information out. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait to do another video, especially if it's going to help you grow your audience, grow your Facebook profile, or grow your YouTube channel today. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video.